All right, welcome back to the Improvement Channel. John Wells and I are going to be working on some shutters. As you can see, we got Logan and Devin in the background. They're working on the Solera, and they're going to put the hitch on that. We're going to be working on getting these shutters put together out of plastic lumber, and then we're going to get those installed on his brother's house today. We're going to run over and do the templating for the shutters, and then we'll be right back to cut everything up.
All right, so what we've done here first is we've taken us a piece of cardboard. We know that we're going to use 3 2x6s wide on this shutter. So we grabbed us a piece of cardboard. We cut it at 15 3/4, which is the same width as our 3 2x6s that we're going to use. And the reason we're using the cardboard here today is because we're going to trace this arch. So when the shutter is open, it matches the arch. So what we're going to do first on this one, since we're going to have the template, we're just going to go ahead and draw our shutters and measurements right here on the template. Then we'll make the template of the arch, and we'll be ready to make the shutters.
We are going to go ahead and put this up here and describe it. So we're just taking this, so we'll have just an actual template when we go to cut this out on the jigsaw. So it's going to look like that, but not cardboard. It's going to be a nice plastic lumber. We got a little bit of some bricks come out, so we're going to have to dado that out so that it will fit in here the way we want it. So John made some notes here, just the dado deal.
All right, here we are. We got our measurements, we got our template, we got our arch cut. We're going to cut all our wood to size, and then we're going to put these shutters together over here. So here we go.
Okay, so we've got some of our 12-foot long 2x6s here. And what we've done is we've taken these and we've cut them down. For this window, it's almost a 6-foot window, so we've cut these down to 70 inches. So we were able to get 2 out of each 12-footer. So you're looking at 3 right here with these 6 that are cut. And that's going to be the width of our shutter. And now we're going to take another one and we're going to cut that up for our cross members. Okay, so what we're about to do is attach our cross members here. And we are going to get everything lined up. And then we're going to go up from underneath and drill in so that we won't see any fasteners on the outside.
Here we go. We're going to pre-drill.
Put your hand on top just in case it goes all the way through, you'll know.
No, just keep my balance. It won't go all the way through.
If we were just doing a regular square window, we'd be done. But we're going to need to cut this arch off. So we're going to get started on that and then we'll complete the other one. He melted that, and from having a really dull blade. Basically, he needs anytime you're cutting this product, you need a blade that has as few teeth as possible within reason. So any type of fine blade will end up just getting hot and kind of melting through it.
Okay, now I cut it big so I can come back and use a belt sander to get it perfectly smooth and flat.
Alright, here is our finished shutter. What we're going to do now is we're going to take this router and we're going to route out a dado here. There's a brick ledge on the house. This will allow that to fit in there nice and smooth. Here's the brick ledge we're talking about. Here's the window. So as you can see, that kind of sticks out a little bit. That's what we dadoed out for. Thank you for watching. Here's a picture of the crew with the before picture, and here is the after.